After a dump, Bitcoin price is round about 23,200. Bitcoin dominance is increasing. Right now is 68, almost 69%, and altcoins are collapsing a lot. Ethereum, after a big dump from 672, is right now about 582. Bitcoin cash out arrived at 16,000 ATM in the UK. One of the bullish news for today. Cryptocurrency firm Ripple charged by US watchdog. Ripple is down, XRP is down for about 30%, and Grayscale is up more than 16.4 billion. If you want to see all this news and details and technical analysis, let's have a view. Welcome back to another episode of Crypto Guy. And here you can see that Bitcoin prices is around about 23,000 after being a correction about 3%. But if you go and see on coin market cap, you can see that all coins are collapsing. Maybe that can be an end of all season, you never know. Because if you have seen my last videos, I have talking about this Bitcoin dominance. Whenever it's go above 60%, all coins start decreasing. It's me, people selling altcoin and wanted to convert their money into Bitcoin. And if you go and see this chart, total market capitalization, and here you can see that we are almost up about 500 651 billion market cap, and that's excluding Bitcoin. And if you see the percentage of total market capitalization dominance, Bitcoin is in, it's increasing up, and right now we are about like 68 69%, and you can see Ethereum is only 11%, XRP is 3%, and others are only 11%. So whenever this go up, when we go down, and more of the altcoin season go up. But whenever this go up, it's mean that all season and other coins are dumping. And here you can see like Bitcoin, when is 80%, there is almost nothing. And that's, I think, it's going to predict, because right now we can see the Bitcoin dominance is 68 69%. And I will also suggest that you should put your money, convert your altcoin into Bitcoin or altcoin into your stable coin, so you will not lose the money. Because if you can go and check on coin market cap, you can see that everything is down. Ethereum is down 30% for 7 days. XRP down 52% because it has a very bad news. I will definitely gonna cover that in upcoming section. Litecoin is also down. Bitcoin Cash is almost 13% down for 1 week, and all the major cryptocurrencies are collapsing at the moment, and people are trying. Away is down for 13%. VeChain is down about 19%, and AOTA is down about 17%, and that's people are changing their altcoin into Bitcoin. And that's what I was also telling you, because this is Christmas time, and every happy Christmas to everyone who are celebrating it. I told you guys that they're gonna be a dump, because people are gonna change their Bitcoin altcoin to celebrate Christmas. Okay, so now we have Bitcoin US dollar 1 day chart, and here you can see that Bitcoin is still strong on 1 day chart and still look bullish, and we are on going a little bit sideways and consolidate about 21 to 23,000. And I'm going to tell you that this is the point, which is 20 weekly moving average, that bulls have to defend is 21,500 to 21,300. And if we break this one, then all hell's break, and definitely we are going to down until maybe 20,000 as well. But at the moment, on 1 day chart, we are bullish. Let's go and have a quick on view on 4 hour chart. And here on 4 hour chart, we are just sitting above 20 weekly moving average, and we have to decide here whether the bulls have to keep going, keep up, or bears gonna take it down. Because right now we are just sitting at 23,200. I think it is very important target, and definitely if we break this 23,000 and 22,800, definitely we are going to see more red, and Bitcoin is going down. We can see a little bit bearish diversion here, and RSI is totally normal, and that's what always happen. It can go up, it can go down, so we have a still room to go down. But indicator and technical analysis showing that it's still bullish. But on 1 day it's bullish, on 4 hour we are little bit showing a bearish diversion. And if we go on 3 hour and 2 hour, definitely they're all in red, all are showing bearish. Three hours is also bearish, 2 hour is also bearish, and 1 hour is also bearish. So now bulls have to defend on 4 hour 20 weekly moving average, that if we able to defend this 23,200 and we able to break above 23,500, definitely we go and see some more greens. But if we cannot defend this one, we are coming down, and then the bearish target will be 20, about 21,500. So these are the targets we have to keep and look for Bitcoin. But this is very normal because this is Christmas time, this is New Year time, and people are trying to take profit. People are selling their Bitcoin altcoins and trying to get gifts for their family and try to celebrate the Christmas. So this is normal, and once after New Year, definitely they're gonna pump. If you have seen my last videos, I was telling you about this dump, Christmas dump, and this is what actually happening at the moment. But Bitcoin is still very bullish on one day as compared to all other altcoins, which are dumping and collapsing very hard. Okay, so now we have Ethereum US dollar 1 day chart, and here you can see that Ethereum on 1 day chart is already start looking bearish, and we already like going under 20 weekly moving average. But we have perfectly hit this line and came back, which was 550, and now we are about 584, and we're gonna go sideways because bulls have defended 550, but they also have to break 600 level to go up, and this is very bearish for Ethereum. I will say that because we are going to see some bearish indicators here. Technical analysis is also showing some bearish indicators, so this is very bad, and I think people are selling Ethereum. Here you can see that oscillators are showing sell, somebody is showing sell, moving average is neutral, so this is looks like a bearish diversion on 1 day and 4 hour chart. And also on here you can see that, yeah, on 4 hour chart you can see that we are going coming down when we having a cross, that not that cross which is nobody's talking about. And on 3 hour definitely it's bearish, we are under 20 weekly moving average. 2 hour is the same story, 1 hour is also bearish, so we are bearish for 1 hour until daily. And if we go and have also view on weekly, which mostly I don't go, but this is the least bearish scenario that we can come on the 462, because everything is dumping at the moment and market is collapsing and Ethereum and altcoins are collapsing, but Bitcoin is still stable. And that's why I'm telling you guys that always have your portfolio 90% in Bitcoin and 10% in Ethereum and other altcoins, because you never know when it's gonna pump and when it's gonna dump. But Bitcoin is gonna stable, and even if it's gonna dump, it come back. So right now we have to see these two levels, 550 about and 600. If we break 600, definitely that would be a bullish scenario in the near future. Now we have some crypto news, and the first bullish news is not all about bearish and not all about collapsing and dumping, but there is also some good news, and that's what I want to talk about. Is Bitcoin cash out arrived at 16,000 ATM in the UK. I mean, that's very bullish. Cryptocurrency holders can now cash out their Bitcoin at 16,000 ATM across the UK, thanks to the East London-based cryptocurrency company Bitcoin Point and independent cash machine operator Cash Zone. So it's mean you can definitely go and you can cash your Bitcoin anytime from by the cash. And there is very good comment from somebody that if you cash out about a tenner worth of Bitcoin, it actually costs you 13. So I mean, people who want to have a quick cash out of Bitcoin, you can just go to an ATM machine and cash it out. And that's what I'm talking about, because when the FOMO comes in, when the people come in, this is widespread adoption. Okay, so now the main news about, which is also on the BBC News, cryptocurrency firm Ripple charged by US watchdog. Everybody knows that XRP is falling and it's going down like a falling knife, because US watchdog have charged against XRP. Cryptocurrency firm Ripple has been charged with conducting investment without proper license by the US Securities and Exchange Commission. The SEC assert that Ripple token is a tradable asset known as a security, and I but now and the value of XRP fell more than 30% on the news, and people are selling XRP. Even like who was holding XRP for a long time, they just make some profit right now. And that's why I always tell you that don't forget to take the profit, because if you don't take the profit, it's just sitting some number there, and that doesn't make any sense. If you are holding XRP, you should sell it and make profit, but it's already too late now. And the last and most important news is also about Grayscale has 16.4 billion in crypto assets under management, up from 13 billion a week ago. Like in 1 week, they have just had 3.4 billion assets under their management. I mean, that's a big amount, and they are really accumulating the money. And then when the times come, definitely they will be the king in this industry, because they have the most Bitcoin. There is a graph here. You can see that Grayscale Bitcoin Trust is about 14,075 million Bitcoin, and their changing is like 2.1%. And they also have Bitcoin Cash about 70 million, Ethereum about 18,000 1,800 million, Ethereum Classic about 67, Horizon about 5.4 million, Litecoin about 125 million. They have Stellar Lumen, they have also XRP, they also have Zcash. I mean, they are holding and grabbing a lot of Bitcoin, and now they even have more Bitcoin when it's going to be mined on daily basis, which is might be one biggest reason why the price will definitely go up. It's just a matter of time. And now we're already up on 20,000. I told you guys, whenever we go up 20,000, there is uncharted territory and we can go above. But now we have some resistance here, we have some support here, we have some resistance here. So now we have to see like where the Bitcoin go in near future. But I think it's because of this New Year and Christmas, and after that definitely there's gonna be a big pump. We can come down in at least 1,500, and then there's gonna be a big pump. Or there is another possibility that we can just go straight up, we can go a little bit sideways, we can go to 2,500, and then we have a big pump. So keep an eye on these levels, and until then I think that's all for today. So take care, keep stacking Bitcoin, and bye bye.